This is our 500W luggage box laser cleaning machine. Easy to withstand pressure, portable with cleaning hair. Weight less than 1.5 kg. Lightweight design, portable and more suitable. Horikochi. Open the box. Turn on electricity. Connect compressed air. Release the emergency stop button. Turn on the power switch. This is a dual control screen for distance and proximity. Set the parameters properly. Linear mode. Rectangle control. Rectangle to mode. Circular mode. Side mode. Spiral mode. Free mode. Dream mode. Rotation mode. That's all for the introduction of this 500W luggage box laser cleaning machine. Thank you for watching.